Yes, Admiral. What? What do you mean my pizza's gonna be 5 minutes late, Admiral? Sergeant Jackass, you will be filling in for the Admiral. He has succumbed to suspicious illness. Okay. Did you find Larry Cloudworker yet? No. What do you mean? Can you give me my OJ Kush breather, please? I need to relax a bit. I just lost another good man to suspicious illness. Oh, I'm just stricken with bad luck. Oh, the poor curse of the dreaded Dark Knob. Oh, yes, it's not easy being Dark Knob. Everybody wants you. Yes, there's hardly any dark meat in the galaxy anymore. So I'm highly valued. Plus, I've got a whole Star Destroyer filled with BC Super Skunk. Because the Emperor's getting up there in age, and yeah, he pretty much left everything to me. Yeah. Yes. We're the best haters this galaxy has ever seen. Give in to your hate. Yes. Don't masturbate. Give in to your hate. Dark knob pump on the dance floor. And giving it to you straight. Don't run and hide with the dark side. Dark side. Fresh. DJ Sexy Splash in your face. What? What do you mean I got a call from Mari? I gotta go on again. Damn it. Oh, that bitch has already been on 3 shows and I wasn't the father in any of them. Oh, fuck. My God. It's such a hard chore being Dark Knob. Yes. Half of my week is sliced up with Mari Povich shows. Oh, doing DNA tests. Well, am I the only fly sugar papa in the whole galaxy or what? Don't make me take out my lightsaber and zap up the place. Oh yeah, little lady.